Welcome to Hospo Health. My name's Adam. Many businesses in hospitality, particularly those recovering from the loss of staff due to the pandemic, experience heavy workloads. Heavy workloads relate to the psychosocial hazard of high job demands. Each individual worker needs to balance the requirements of their job, what needs to be done, produced or provided, with their corresponding resources. These resources may relate to the materials provided by the workplace, the skills and experiences of the worker, as well as the support they receive from their supervisor and co-workers. If the requirements of the job exceed the individual worker's resources, the worker gets stressed. All workers require a moderate level of stress to improve their motivation and performance at work. However, if a worker experiences stress often and for prolonged periods of time, this can be harmful to a worker's mental and physical health. To avoid this, businesses need to focus on striking a better balance between job demands and worker resources. This can be addressed much in the same way as managing a business. To address this balance, businesses, whether small, medium or large, should focus on creating a mentally healthy workplace. Every workplace is different. However, some actions that can help are as follows. Businesses should raise awareness of the impact that prolonged exposure to stress can have on the physical and mental health of workers, and encourage a culture where workers can speak up when they're feeling stressed. Beyond Blue provides resources to assist managers and small business owners understand the causes of work-related stress and how to reduce them. Identifying those at greater risk of exposure, young or new workers for example, is also a good strategy to ensure the actions taken are appropriate. Creating a culture that normalises these discussions will provide transparency for line managers or business owners that can help them to act early. By acting early, businesses can prevent workers from prolonged exposure to stress and psychological injury. Businesses should also raise awareness of the ways that individuals can manage their own mental health and well-being, and some of the resources available should they need further assistance. Beyond Blue's Heads Up program provides many useful mental health resources relevant to small, medium and large businesses. Creating a speak-up culture will also allow businesses to consult with workers around how to better manage workloads. This could involve ensuring the right people are in the right jobs, that workloads are shared evenly, and that jobs are designed to not exceed a worker's resources. For small businesses, business owners could check in with their workers daily to understand what is working well and what could be improved. Involving workers in decision-making when it comes to reducing workplace stress can help to cultivate trust and create loyalty. Although the restrictions caused by the pandemic may have eased, high job demands and the negative impact these can have to a worker's physical and mental health are still significant and an issue that businesses need to manage. In doing so, businesses will retain workers, increase productivity and reduce negative mental health outcomes and psychological injury. Thank you.